What you doing?
Making s'mores. It's cold and rainy outside, so we couldn't make a fire. But we can still have s'mores. Almost. The secret to make sure you don't get all the marshmallow come off of it. You gotta twist it, push down, twist it, and sometimes it works. Not this time.
After spending the night at the KOA in Craig, Colorado, we went up Route 13 so that we could hop on I-80 east towards Cheyenne, Wyoming.
You gotta be kidding me. Loose? What? Oh, Jesus.
And then we hit construction.
What should have been a quick 6 miles took over an hour.
The road was so awful that I had to spend most of my time holding on to things instead of shooting video, so
Like
sorry.
me. Yeah. She's holding on to me. I was holding on to her. It was so shaky. It was bad.
It was really bad.
Should have been illegal. The good news is we found a rest stop not too far afterwards, and they had 2 of my favorite things. Pinball and fried chicken. We're at the TA Travel Center in Rawlins, Wyoming. They got Spider-Man. So I'm gonna play some pinball.
And once we passed through some beautiful clouds, we landed in Cheyenne at a Good Sam Park with the best ribs in Cheyenne.
That's what they said, and we'll vouch for that. Not that we've had any other ribs in Cheyenne, but these were real good.
Like, really, really good.
Really good. We had a really nice night at the AB RV park.
They were super accommodating, and it had just started to rain again.
Yeah. So what we did was we had to put our tarp over our top of our RV because there was a minor leak we discovered earlier, and if it was going to rain, we didn't want it to leak some more, so we happened to have a tarp ready for that kind of thing. One of our neighbors walked over. They saw us putting up our tarp. It was Hank and Judy, of course, and they offered us some extra sealant he just for no reason at all. He was just being super nice. It was great.
Just being a good neighbor.
Great neighbor.
And the next morning, we rolled out towards Grand Island, Nebraska.
Funny enough, there are no islands in Nebraska, but it was called Grand Island. Who named it Grand Island? Nobody knows. It's not an island. There's no body of water. It's just corn. Just lots and lots of corn. The middle of Nebraska. Pretty sure they don't know what island means. Kelly, is this our first 2-story travel plaza?
I think so. It's huge.
It's huge. I'm so excited. Hi, honey. How are you?
Pay attention to the road, please.
Okay.
The Grand Island KOA is great. The staff is super nice. The grounds are kept up really well.
They delivered a pizza right to our spot on a golf cart.
Oh, and our neighbors are from Quebec, and they travel with their 2 cats.
Yeah, Edouard and
Martin.
Martin.
Edouard and Norton.
They were from Quebec. Quebecois. They were much more experienced than us. They had harnesses that actually worked, so we took some notes from them.
We definitely have to get some of those.
Yeah.
Also, their cats were trained on harnesses since they were kittens.
Yeah, pizza and footy are a bit slow on the uptake as adult cats. And I use the term adult loosely.
And we found a bird's nest with baby chicks by the pool house.
Super cute.
Oh my gosh. You're so little.
We wanted to stay for a couple of nights, and
Yeah, to kind of give ourselves a rest. But just so happened that Omaha was hosting the World Series of College Baseball. So every hotel and campsite in the area was booked.
all of eastern Nebraska.
All of it. It's a big deal there. So yesterday we continued on to Des Moines, Iowa, which is a little bit further than we wanted to go, but sometimes you got to keep trucking.
So we are at another KOA here on the western side of the city, because there's two. And we're just gonna stay here for a couple of days and take a break from heavy driving.
Don't look, but I'm videoing you right now. How do you feel, babe? Yeah? It's your first time driving on the Gypsy? I said don't look. Pay attention to the road.
It's not my first time driving
I know, but on the open road,
on this trip, yes.
yes. Alright, you're doing great. You look really cute behind the wheel. Very attractive. Alright, good work. Guys, we're officially over halfway to our final destination, Rochester, New York. We're doing it. We're gonna make this.
We're gonna make it. Good catnip.
You're gonna travel with cats. You gotta travel with catnip.
She's really getting into it.
Oh, she's wasted. I get so fluffed up. Oh my gosh, this is wonderful. Oh my god.
So we are now at a campground, and because of the leak we found the other day, Ryan's on top of the roof trying to fix it with some sealant that a neighboring RV gave us.
So while in Des Moines, we met a guy named Jack,
He's-
also from Los Angeles.
Yeah, he has an awesome setup. It's just a motorcycle and a trailer with a king-size bed in it and storage.
Looking at it, you would never think this thing has a king-size bed,
It's awesome.
or that it could be an entire campsite.
Yeah,
It folds out. It's like Harry Potter magic.
witchcraft. We continue to meet very cool people along
Yeah.
this trip.
And now I'm just happy to be relaxing here for a couple of days. We're on day 2. We'll head out tomorrow and keep going east. I don't know. Where should we head to next?
What do you guys think?
I think Illinois might be next, right?
Is it Illinois? We have to check a
I
map.
forget the
Illinois or
map.
Indiana?
Indiana sounds like it might be before Illinois.
No, I think it's Illinois because there's Chicago, and then Indiana.
Okay. I get confused around these I states.
Yeah, there's a lot of them. Iowa, Indiana,
Illinois. And
Illinois,
they're all like
Nebraska.
right next to each other. Nebraska is not an I state.
It's very confusing. Wish us luck. We made it. We keep on making it to places we intend to make it to, so things are going well.
Finally.
I think we're going to make it. What do you guys think?
Let us know in the comments below.
Remember to like, subscribe, share with your friends, family, anybody.
We also just started a Patreon page. So if you'd like to see more there,
Yeah, we'll be putting
Things.
we'll be putting some links down here for our Patreon page. Also, you can check out our website at gypsyandwe.com, and you can find links to our Patreon page there. You can also find links to our store. That's right, Gypsy and We are selling merchandise that you need.
you can also find us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, all the normal social media sites.
Pinterest,
Pinterest, yeah.
YouTube.
Wish us luck. we're hopefully making it to Rochester, New York very soon.
But not too soon.
Well, we want to get working on Gypsy. There's a lot to get done.
But we also want to enjoy our time. This has been a great time, and we continue to enjoy it. Bye now.